Alright guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming to this channel, I say a very big welcome to you. Okay, in a quick one, like as I always say, as a matter of fact, I have some pretty organic to show you. A lot of people, what they don't know about organic is when you have real organic, it's quite different when you have mixed organic, because we have different type of organic. Some organic, they are organic that are being diluted or premixed. All right, why some persons they go for raw organic. And if you talk about like raw organic, which one do you really prefer, or what should I use for example? Now I want to talk about, I've once talked about it before, okay, but now I want to do a quickly review on it again, which is we have this lemon peel and orange peel. You can see them. You see, this is lemon peel and this is orange peel powder. You know, we do have different type of lemon peel and orange peel powder. So people, they have this powder form like whitish. Are you getting it? That made of some sort of chemicals. Are you getting it? I wouldn't say that it's original or not original. Are you getting it? Because it's made of chemical. But this one, oh, you can see even to inhale it, even, I mean, it's kind of a little bit ash. You can see this lemon peel. It's original, my dear. This is just the orange. I mean, this lemon, you know, lemon. That lemon you always see. This is, excuse me, for you to see how effective it is. You understand? It's stir me up to make me sneeze. Are you getting it? You can see that this lemon peel is the lemon, you know, and being blended. They dry it and it takes time a lot actually, and be grounded to powder. There's no ways about it. Like when you use this to make your soap, or when you extract this to make oil or lotion, there's no two ways about it that it's not going to work. There's no doubt. Don't doubt it. Will it work or not? Don't doubt it, because it's original. Are you getting it? It takes time to process, yes, but never mind. Who's gonna give up? You process it and it turns like this. First of all, you dry it, and after that, now some people pound it, they filter it, but no, this one is being blended. You blend it. How hard it is, you blend it to smooth. Now it's very smooth. So you can see that if you use this to make your soap, or you extract it with water to make a lotion, or you extract it with oil to make a lotion, or you extract it to make a face, whatever you use it for, have to know that lemon is for whitening, it's for lightening, it's for how you might put it. For those of us who know lemon, it has a lightening property, which is whitening property also. Yes, that is what lemon is basically. It's for lightning. Don't even think about it. Will it work or not? No, it's original. Let me open it for you so that you can see. You can see, because sometimes seeing and proof is believing. So I want to make you to understand that if you use this, you see, if you use this, look at it. See, if you use this to premix, for those of you who like premix, if you use this to premix your soap or your lotion or whatever you use to premix, it's just on 100%. 100%. And somebody asked me, so meaning sometimes when you take vitamin C, you take all this orange, does it lighten you? Of course, it lightens you. When you take it, it lightens you from inside. Don't you know vitamin C is very necessary? There's a necessity of you taking vitamin C. Are you getting it? So lemon, you see, is a lightning property. So don't doubt it. If you know you can't get this wherever you are, this is the orange one. This is the lemon. This is the orange. So the two, they are lemon peel powder. They are lemon peel powder. So if you know you can't get them and you need them much, you can always call us via the number on your screen. Yes, you can call us via the number on your screen. All right? We ship everywhere. We ship everywhere. Name it. Name it. You can name it. We ship everywhere. Outside the country, yes, you can trust us. We ship everywhere. Canada, UK, US, Europe, Asia country, all the neighboring African countries, you know. Yes, even within Lagos, within Nigeria, within all the states, we deliver everywhere. So this one is lemon, while this one is orange. So don't forget, I just said this thing they call organic. We have the raw materials of organic. Why some they are not organic? They are already processed in a promised way. Those ones that are white powders. This one is more effective than the one on white powder. We have the lemon pea powder. That one is mixed with chemical, but this one is not. All right? The way I'm moving perceiving is shocking me for you to know how strong it is. Yes. That in a quick word, I want to show you something else again. I don't want to push more harder. You can see. I don't know if you've seen it. It's like a gel. This gel is not the normal gel. It's a gel being made of glycerin and some other procedures, some other stuff. It's actually called a serum base. For those of you who want to make serums, you do serums, right? And you know these serums, they are not just oil. They are thick. When you see them, they are thick. So this is the base they use to make them. All this, I actually got this from Dubai. Yes, in a big container. All right? I got this from Dubai. It's the gel. All this serum you do see all the time. They make serum. You say, oh, what's up? Like, how do they do all these things? I get in it. Just that the process I can't really explain because it's gonna take a whole lecture. I getting it. So if you know you do serum all the time, this is what you need. This base. This is your base. For those of us who know how to premix, this is our base. Look at it. Look at it. So don't forget, if you're looking for all these materials, skincare materials, organic or for premix or cosmetic, you can rely on us. Make sure you call us via the number on your screen. And the training that is coming up also, I told you, enroll now for the training because the training is going to be awesome. We do all this training every week. Just a peanut buff. It's what I tell you that I'm doing. It's not what you really ask me. If you know you want what you ask me, what you want me to do for you is another price entirely. But all this I'm giving out is whitening products, so it's still the same thing. So for the serum, this is what we use, our gel, and then we did talk about this is our lemon peel and orange peel. So guard this into your memory. Don't forget that we ship everywhere. So stay tuned until I come your way next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.